Hi students, me Reddy Suresh. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. You are getting new notifications. So students, today our topic is number system. This is ninth class portion. We know that already numbers. So countable numbers are called natural numbers. That equals to n. It is denoted by capital N. N equals to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Next, whole numbers. It is denoted by W. These are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Next, integers. It is denoted by I, R, Z. That equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And negative numbers -1, -2, -3 and so on. Same positive numbers and negative numbers included 0. These numbers are called integers. Now our main topic, rational numbers. See, rational numbers. Rational numbers. It is denoted by Q. See here, rational numbers are in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. Let we have to take X is a one rational number. It is in the form of P by Q. It is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q belongs to integers. That is P comma Q belongs to integers. That is P and Q are integers, and Q is not equals to 0. This is our definition. For example, see here you observe that Q you take the 0, P by 0. P by 0 is a undefined form. So we can't define the denominator when have the 0, that time we can't define. So observe these friends, natural numbers. See, this is 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1. This is also in the form of P by Q. So all natural numbers are in rational numbers. All natural numbers are rational numbers. All whole numbers are rational numbers. All integers also rational numbers. So we can say this one, N is subset of W, W is subset of I is subset of Q. So here all natural numbers, all whole numbers, all integers. Here all natural numbers are in integers, all whole numbers also integers, all integers are in rational numbers. So we can write natural numbers is subset of W, W is subset of integers, integers is subset of rational numbers. Example, rational numbers example 0, 1, 5, 2 by 3, -7, -5 by 3, etc. So this is our topic, rational numbers. See, still, next, irrational numbers. So simply we can say that irrational numbers, same definition. You know that rational number definition. Rational numbers are in the P by Q, are in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. So irrational numbers. Irrational numbers, let us have to take Q dash. Let X is an irrational number. It is not in the form of P by Q. It is not in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. This type of numbers are called irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. It is not in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. So for example, root 2, root 5, root 7, 1.2357, and so on. This type of numbers are called irrational numbers. Exercise 1.1. The first question is 0 is a rational number. Can you write it in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0. So here see, what is the given question? First you understand the question. 0 is a rational number or not? Okay, that is asking the question. Can you write it is in the form of p by q? Suppose 0 is a rational number, you can write the p by q form. Okay, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0. Like that you show. They are asking. See, solution. Here see, 0 is a rational number. Zero is a rational number. Yes, 0 is a rational number. So, it is in the form of p by q. See, observe this. 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, and so on. Like that we can write 0 by 100, 0 by 1000, like this. So 0 by anything except 0 is a 0. So compulsory this is 0 is a rational number. So now second question. See, what is the second question? Find 6 rational numbers. Find 6 rational numbers. 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. This is the given question, second one. How to solve this one? See, 6 rational numbers. You know that 3 after 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6. This also you can write, nothing problem. That also lie between in the 3 and 4 only. So, but here see, one simple concept. Any 6 rational numbers, 7 rational numbers lie between, then A and B, like that asking means. So, here how many rational numbers asking? You observe that one. Here 6 rational numbers asking. Go to multiply and divided by 7 by 7. Increasing that 6, 1. So, that is 7. That equals to 3 into 7 by 7. That is 21 by 7. Come on. Next, 4. 4 also you can multiply 7 by 7. Suppose here 6 not given, 8 given. So you can multiply 9 by 9. 10 given. You can multiply 11 by 11. So this one how much? 7 4s are 28. 28 by 7. Observe this. After say 21 by 7. First that is equals that one 7 1s are 7 3s are. Again we get 3 only. So 21 by 7 after 22 by 7 after 23 by 7 after 24 by 7 25 by 7 26 by 7 27 by 7 28 by 7. See, this is 27 by 7 after number 22 by 7 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, 27 by 7, 28 by 7. See, here 28 by 7 is nothing but 4. So, lie between the rational numbers are, 6 rational numbers are 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, 27 by 7. See, like this questions asking in exam. So, 1 mark questions. See now third one. What given the third one? Observe this third one. What is the third one? Find 5 rational numbers find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Same concept you can use here. Say how many rational numbers asking? 5 rational numbers asking here. Lie between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So you can add that 1. 5 plus 1, that is 6. You can multiply and divide it by 6. 3 by 5 into 6 by 6. That equals to how much? 6 3s are 18 by 6 5s are 30. Next, 4 by 5 also you can multiply and divide it by 6 by 6. 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. Now you can write this one. 18 by 30, after 19 by 30, next 20 by 30, next one 21 by 30, next one 22 by 30, next one 23 by 30, 24 by 30. So 18 by 30 is nothing but 3 by 5. 24 by nothing is 4 by 5. So observe this one. Lie between the 5 rational numbers. 19 by 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 rational numbers. Lie between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Lie between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. 5 rational numbers. 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30. Now, fourth question. State whether the following statements are true or false. Give reasons for your answer. See, first question. In that first question, every natural number is a whole number. It is true or false? Already we know the concept. Every natural number is a whole number. It is true. It is true. So, why this is true? See, already we know that natural numbers, all countable numbers are called natural numbers. Whole numbers means natural numbers including 0. Then that is called whole numbers. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, all are in whole numbers. So simply we can write natural numbers is subset of whole numbers. See, that is the reason. See, second one, every integer is a whole number. Every integer is a whole number or not? Say whole numbers. When to start 0 to start there. Here integers means we know that already integers. Negative numbers are positive numbers including 0. There are called the integers. We know that. So, but every integer is not a whole number. So, it is false. Here given that every integer is a whole number. It is false. It is false statement. Because negative numbers like -1, -2, -3 does not belongs to this type of numbers, does not belongs to in whole number. Last question, third one. Every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number, already we know that rational numbers are in the form of P by Q. Okay, so whole numbers where to start 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So here it is false. Solution, it is false statement because 2 by 3 comma negative numbers minus 1, this type of numbers are not in whole number. Thank you, students.